TT Electronics is a leading provider of optoelectronic devices through its Optech product line. For over 50 years, we have designed and developed innovative solutions for applications in the industrial, medical, aerospace, and defense markets. We offer one of the most comprehensive optoelectronics portfolios in the industry, which includes Hall effect sensors, IR components, optoisolators, fiber optics, reflective sensors, slotted switches, and visible LEDs. Our sensors are heavily utilized in the demanding industrial market, but we also have a strong foothold in the medical, aerospace, defense, and transportation sectors.
The products we make are certainly small, but they really do have a big impact. From playing a critical role in life-saving medical applications like hemodialysis to helping us explore uncharted territory like Mars with the Mars rover. It's pretty incredible what our products are a part of.
Our optoelectronics are manufactured in a nearly 120,000 square foot facility in Juarez, Mexico. Our operations follow lean manufacturing principles and are ISO 9001 certified and ITAR registered. The facility is equipped with wafer probes, automated die-attached and wire bonding, environmental chambers, burn-in ovens, and failure analysis labs with SEM and X-ray labs. Our Juarez operations specialize in high-volume semiconductor packaging, application-specific design and manufacturing, and precise optical assembly. The R&D of our optoelectronics takes place in our state-of-the-art 100% Green E renewable facility in Dallas, Texas. Over 7,000 feet are dedicated to test and measurement of our optical sensors. Our capabilities in Dallas include ASIC chip and package design, development of precision optical sensors, printed circuit board layout, and custom environmental testing development and implementation. In addition to our extensive portfolio of standard sensors, we can customize our solutions to meet the specific requirements of our customers' applications. We provide design-specific wiring harness, connectorization, and board assembly, and we can even customize the performance of our optical devices to meet the strictest of requirements.
We offer unparalleled expertise in designing customized sensing solutions utilizing optoelectronic technologies such as infrared and visible light. Our devices allow for greater stability, reliability, and accuracy.
What sets us apart from the competition is our vast application experience and our team of manufacturing, design, and application engineers that provide unsurpassed technical support throughout the entire process. With our products, we have successfully solved sensing challenges that helped put satellites into space, developed life-saving medical technology, and optimized factory automation. TT Electronics is at the forefront of optoelectronics, and our team is ready to help you find the right optical sensor. Visit ttelectronics.com/optoelectronics to learn more.